This is Friggo, a cold brew energy drink brand I designed from scratch. It's bold, loud, and built for creators, gamers, students, and go-getters. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I turned cold plus energy into a visual identity that pops on shelves and online. Before I opened Illustrator, I needed to understand the culture Friggo was stepping into. I looked at competitors. A lot of energy drink brands go for either extreme sport vibes or overly dark, aggressive designs. I wanted Friggo to be different, cold, sharp, and high energy, but also fresh and modern. So my mood board mixed icy blues, neon highlights, urban texture, and a touch of streetwear styles. The goal was to create a look that feels like it belongs into a gamer setups and on an event stage. The logo had to scream energy but also feel crisp and clean. I started with bold, blocky letter form to give it weight and impact, then worked in sharp, angular cuts to mimic the idea of ice breaking, giving that cold edge. The typography is custom, so it stands out and isn't just another off-the-shelf font. The word mark alone can carry the brand, but it's also paired with an icon that represents the fusion of code and energy for small-scale uses like social media avatars or event mix. For color, I went with a bold electric blue as the main brand color. It's cold, it's refreshing, and it grabbed attention from across the aisle. To bring in the energy, I added a punch of neon green. It's vibrant, it's high voltage, and it cuts through the blue beautifully. A deep charcoal grey and a crisp white act as neutral anchors, keeping everything balanced and versatile. Fonts are the voice of a brand. Friggo's headline font is bold, condensed, and all caps, so it shouts without being messy. Perfect for cans, poster, and mix. The body font is clean and modern, making the small details easy to read, whether it's on packaging or your website. Once the core identity was logged in, I tested it everywhere. On social media, it fits at home next to game highlights and behind the scene creator shots. The final result, a brand that stands out on shelves, connects with its audience, and feels like more than just a drink. It feels like a movement. If you enjoyed seeing how I built Friggo's identity, make sure you subscribe. Next time I'll be breaking down another design, showing you exactly how the smallest detail make the biggest impact. See you guys later. Bye.